랄랄라. 오늘 길이 한산하고 운전하기도 편하네.
Ah, gee. You first missed your signal, so this is your fault. You know what I am saying? It's all your fault, you know?
What? Are you speaking in English?
What? Yes, I am speaking in English. Wow, you don't even understand your native language.
Wait, I'll call the police.
Okay, call the police right now.
What's going on, folks?
Okay, sir. Let me tell you about this accident he made. I was waiting on the red signal right there, but suddenly he hit my car. I was very upset, but gently told him about what he did. But he just pretended not to understand my English speaking, your native language. Shame on you.
So that was completely your fault. I am sorry. Yes, it was my fault.